The artificial glow of the monitor illuminates a complex spreadsheet serving as an undeniable ledger of decades of relentless sacrifice. The bottom line displays a number that once felt like an impossible dream, a figure representing absolute financial freedom. The stark math says everything is finally ready. Yet a cold hesitation lingers in the quiet room, a paralyzing dread that keeps the finger from closing the laptop and walking away forever. This deep-seated hesitation defies logical explanation. For 30 grueling years, the singular goal was to cross this exact finish line, to escape the daily grind and finally stop working. But when the defining moment arrives, the anticipated celebration is replaced by a profound psychological barrier. The fear of retiring actually morphs into an unseen threat, whispering constantly that the carefully amassed wealth is somehow a fragile illusion waiting to shatter. Financial experts recognize this chilling paralysis, categorizing it under a deceptive label known as the one more year syndrome. It masquerades as diligence, presenting itself as a responsible decision to pad the retirement accounts for just 12 more months. But the grim reality is that it rarely stops there. It quickly becomes a chronic condition, an endless cycle of trading irreplaceable human time for a false sense of absolute security. The insidious nature of this syndrome feeds directly on the fundamental shift from wealth accumulation to wealth distribution. Decades were spent meticulously building a massive fortress of assets, a repetitive process that felt inherently safe and predictable. Now the heavy drawbridge must lower. The very act of taking money out feels like a severe violation of survival instincts honed during those working years, triggering a deep existential panic about an unknowable future. At the dark heart of this financial panic is the absolute terror of outliving the money. This specific threat is known as longevity risk, the highly realistic possibility that modern medicine and good health might significantly outlast the investment portfolio. The anxious mind conjures bleak scenarios where you reach an advanced age with entirely empty accounts, left dependent and destitute. It is a powerful vision that makes the safety of a steady corporate paycheck even harder to abandon. To actively combat this psychological terror, analysts developed a robust mathematical shield commonly known as the 4% rule. Based on exhaustive historical market data, it suggests a highly reliable safe withdrawal rate for a balanced investment portfolio over a standard 30-year span. If you pull out exactly 4% of the total value in the first year and carefully adjust that amount for inflation afterward, historical evidence points to an incredibly high probability that the money will endure. Applying this established mathematical rule reveals the stark truth of your financial independence. If your essential annual living expenses are comfortably covered by that initial withdrawal, the financial fortress is genuinely secure. The cold numbers on the spreadsheet are not lying. They represent a mathematical certainty based on more than a century of turbulent economic history, proving beyond a doubt that the required capital threshold has indeed been reached. The finish line is completely real, but the human mind is exceptionally skilled at finding invisible cracks in any theoretical armor. The historical data might clearly show long-term safety, but the individual still feels terrifyingly exposed to massive global forces entirely beyond their personal control. What if a catastrophic economic event happens the very day after the final resignation letter is handed in? The deep-seated fear demands absolute certainty in an inherently unpredictable world. This specific haunting terror is not entirely irrational. It has a formal name and a devastating track record in the markets. It is called sequence of returns risk. This is the precise danger that a severe, prolonged market downturn strikes exactly at the very beginning of the vulnerable withdrawal phase. When underlying assets plunge rapidly in value while money is simultaneously being pulled out to cover daily expenses, the overall portfolio suffers a permanent crippling blow. The structural damage inflicted by this early downturn is largely irreversible because the sold shares can never participate in the eventual market recovery. The very foundation of the accumulated wealth is silently hollowed out from the inside, share by share. It is a ruthless wealth killer that has derailed countless carefully laid retirement plans, turning what should be a comfortable transition into a desperate scramble for basic survival. During the long years of aggressive saving, a sudden market crash was actually viewed as a golden opportunity to buy valuable assets at a steep discount. The rapidly falling numbers were merely a temporary setback, but in the fragile distribution phase, that exact same crash instantly becomes a terminal threat to the entire plan. The fundamental rules of the financial game completely flip, leaving the individual feeling entirely defenseless against the volatile tides of the global economy. Paralyzed by the looming specter of these combined risks, the individual remains heavily chained to the familiar desk. The one more year syndrome takes hold completely, wrapping invisible chains around their daily routine. They desperately convince themselves that a slightly larger financial cushion will permanently neutralize the dreaded sequence of returns risk. They falsely believe that just a little more capital will finally silence the whispering doubts and guarantee a perfectly safe passage into their later years. Yet, this relentless pursuit of an impenetrable financial shield introduces a completely different, often tragically ignored hazard. The paralyzing fear of retiring actually becomes a massive financial risk in itself. By continuing to stubbornly hoard wealth far beyond what is mathematically necessary for survival, the individual is severely misallocating their most precious, rapidly depreciating asset. They are aggressively hoarding printed dollar while relentlessly burning through their remaining days of physical health and mental vitality. Every single additional year spent hunched over the corporate desk is a year permanently subtracted from the active, healthy phase of a finite life. The grand plans for global travel, the deep connections with family, the passionate pursuit of neglected hobbies, all of these are tragically delayed. The bitter irony is inescapable. The massive wealth was accumulated specifically to buy this exact freedom, but the paralyzing fear of losing the wealth completely prevents the ultimate purchase. The hidden mental toll of living within this constant contradiction is incredibly heavy. The familiar workplace, once a vital source of purpose, slowly becomes a suffocating, self imposed prison. The individual mindlessly goes through the daily motions, their core identity trapped in a professional role they no longer financially need to occupy. The detailed spreadsheet confirms their absolute liberation, but their mind remains stubbornly incarcerated by their own unchecked anxiety. Escaping this invisible psychological trap requires confronting the underlying fear directly rather than desperately trying to bury it under piles of more money. It fundamentally begins with acknowledging the hard truth that absolute zero risk certainty simply does not exist. No amount of extra capital can completely eliminate the possibility of an unprecedented economic collapse or a sudden health crisis. The obsessive quest for perfect safety is a phantom pursuit that only consumes time. Instead of focusing on endless accumulation, the strategic focus must sharply shift to building an active defense. Financial planners often combat the specific threat of an early market drop by building a dedicated, highly protected cash buffer. By keeping 2 to 3 years of essential living expenses in highly liquid, exceptionally stable accounts, the retiree creates a powerful protective moat. If the global market suddenly plunges on day one, they simply spend the cash, leaving the vulnerable investments untouched to recover. This tactical reserve completely neutralizes the immediate, terrifying danger of a crash. The core, growth oriented investments are heavily shielded from forced, destructive liquidation during a severe downturn. The underlying math of the original withdrawal strategy remains perfectly intact, protected by a solid, unyielding wall of cash. It is a concrete mechanism that directly addresses the core anxiety of running out of money without requiring another soul crushing year trapped in the office. Beyond the protective cash moat, the ultimate weapon against financial uncertainty is behavioral flexibility. The rigid assumption that retirement spending must strictly follow a predetermined, unchanging line on a graph is a massive vulnerability. In harsh reality, living expenses can be dynamically adjusted. If the market delivers a severe blow, discretionary spending, the lavish vacations, the luxury vehicle upgrades can be temporarily paused. This responsive approach ensures the core portfolio survives the storm intact. With these robust defenses firmly in place, the entire concept of the transition must be radically reframed. It is not a terrifying blind leap off a cliff into an endless abyss of spending. It is a highly calculated strategic shift into a brand new phase of asset management. The individual is no longer an aggressive accumulator. They are now the chief executive officer of their own sustained independence. The exact same analytical skills used to build the impressive wealth are simply redirected to fiercely preserve it. For those individuals whose anxiety remains completely overwhelming despite the math, an abrupt hard stop is not the only available option. A phased, gradual exit can serve as a vital psychological bridge across the terrifying chasm. Reducing weekly hours, transitioning to an advisory consulting role, or finding low stress part time work that brings genuine joy rather than anxiety can significantly ease the shock. It provides a comforting trickle of income while the mind slowly adapts to drawing down the main accounts. This gradual approach also significantly softens the psychological blow of losing a long held professional identity. For decades, the immediate answer to the profound question of who you are was inextricably tied to a specific job title and a regular salary. Stripping that defining label away overnight leaves a terrifying, echoing void. The stated fear of running out of money is very often just a convenient, socially acceptable mask for the much deeper, darker fear of running out of daily purpose. The perfect spreadsheet cannot solve a profound identity crisis. It can only coldly confirm that the necessary financial resources exist to fully fund the vital search for a new, meaningful purpose. The true devastating risk is not a market correction in the first vulnerable year of freedom. The true irreversible risk is arriving at the very end of a long life with a massive, completely untouched portfolio and a profound regret for the precious years wasted in unnecessary, fear driven labor. The harsh glow of the monitor remains steady, the final numbers completely unchanged. The strict mathematical threshold of true financial independence has been decisively crossed. The strategic defenses against sudden market crashes and unexpectedly extended lifespans are fully understood and readily available to be deployed. The only remaining unpredictable variable in this entire complex equation is the sheer human courage to trust the verified math and finally step away from the edge. The ultimate liberating realization is that accumulated wealth is merely a tool, and its only true valuable purpose is to purchase human autonomy. When the required capital is finally secured, continuing to work out of a blind, unexamined terror is a tragic, irreversible miscalculation. It is time to firmly close the laptop, walk away from the desk, and finally claim the vibrant life those decades of sacrifice were meant to buy. The great unknown awaits, but the ledger definitively says you are ready.